The dust box is usually removable, making it easy for users to take them out and empty them of dust and debris. This is much simpler than traditional vacuum cleaners that require complicated steps like replacing or cleaning dust bags. Using a dust box reduces reliance on disposable vacuum bags and lessens the burden on the environment. Additionally, emptying the dust box avoids direct contact with dust and dirt, improving the hygiene of the cleaning process. With the combination of a dustbin and water tank, some robotic vacuum cleaner can perform both dry and wet cleaning tasks in a single pass. It can sweep up dust and debris while also mopping the floor, saving time and effort. By combining sweeping and mopping functions, the two-in-one design can save significant time compared to using separate devices or manually mopping after vacuuming. It offers a more efficient and streamlined cleaning process. The integration of a water tank allows for damp mopping or even wet mopping, providing a deeper and more thorough clean. This can be especially effective in removing sticky or stubborn stains on the floor surface. Since the dustbin is reusable and does not require frequent replacement, it helps save on purchasing vacuum bags. The dust box is usually transparent, making it convenient for users to check the garbage capacity at any time. This allows users to determine whether the dust box needs to be emptied in time, avoiding the accumulation of garbage that can affect the cleaning effect. Dustbox usually has a simple installation and removal process, allowing users to complete these steps quickly and easily, saving time and effort.